This is a really quick video on using Microsoft Whiteboard, and you could use this to do those whiteboard lessons that you see like on Khan Academy. So first of all, this tool does not record for you. You have to use something like Snagit to record while you're creating your lesson. You have a few different tools here. If you click twice onto the pen, you can see the different color palette, including this lovely rainbow. You have different sizes of pens, so you can use whatever size you like. We have a highlighter here, okay, with a whole bunch of colors, and we have the ability to erase, and I love how the eraser gets larger as you move it around. We have a ruler, okay, that you just drag around. When you use two fingers, you can rotate the ruler, okay, and when you use a pen in conjunction with the ruler and we draw right along the line, it does a straight line for you, which is pretty cool. And you can see how that would be useful in math. As well, we have the magic lasso tool that has a variety of options, so I will show you this. So if I write a message here, I can select this and turn it into text. Underneath the lasso tool, we have the text tool where you can type. That's pretty self-explanatory. We have a sticky note tool, which allows you to insert sticky notes into your page. It's getting very busy. You can move those around to wherever you want. We have the ability to add images or documents, including some cool stickers. So that's pretty cool. One of the best things about this tool is that the palette is just about infinite. So if we pinch, you can see that I can zoom right out and we can move around. So I can basically keep going, pinch and zoom, move around, and create enough space that I need. If I insert documents, I can write on top of these documents. So here's a PDF. This is multiple pages. It lets me just select the page that I want, and then I can zoom right in onto it, and I can annotate straight on top of the page, which is pretty great if I have a specific lesson that I'm looking to do. I can zoom out. Notice that my annotation stays where I had it, and it shrinks along with the page. I can also choose different backgrounds, so I can change it so that, just like Khan Academy, I have the black background, or if I wanted, I could have a grid. It's easier to see that in white. Okay, I can have graph paper, dot paper. So this is very helpful when using this tool for math. Okay, I hope this was an informative video on using Microsoft Whiteboard.